the age issue is actually fascinating because starting with that moment in time where we shed living in the canopies of East Africa, which was approximately about 2.5 million years ago, and our ancestors came and dwelled on the ground full time, we can see that from the bones that were left over, there was demographic variability. And that means that those groups that had a nice balance between young and old were actually likely more adapted to survive in that environment. And it's very interesting when we think of it from the perspective of evolution. Very few animals out there, very few mammals, very few animals on the planet actually have what we call alloparenting, or even famously known as the grandmother hypothesis, where you're not just concerned about the survival and reproduction of your offspring. You're concerned about the survival and reproduction of their offspring. And you live long enough and you have a meaty enough brain and a ledger, a record, a recording of a life experience that can actually help the survivorship. So I think this speaks a little bit to the modern workplace. There is so much you can tap into to have that demographic variability, if strategically placed, that could help really shed multiple dimensions of success at the organizational level. So that's something that you might want to consider.